So I usually unbox tech stuff, but today I have something a little bit different. So right now, in this giant box here, well, it's not that big, but it's bigger than what I usually open. This is the Fuzion Cityglide adult scooter, kick scooter. So I thought this would just be kind of fun to open up, see what it looks like, kind of play around with it, and just show you guys. So let's just open it up. There's a lot of tape surrounding this guy, so this is going to be kind of an awkward unboxing for me to do, and it might be a little bit long, the video. So what is the reasoning for opening this? Well, it's just fun, I guess. It's not something that that I was planning on making a video about, but it just seemed like it would be fun for other people to see as well. So I'm sure as a kid, or many people had, those Razor scooters, and they have the small wheels on them. So the reason why this one is different, and I know Razor makes a version too, is because this is an adult kick scooter. So what that means is that essentially you have a lot bigger wheels, and that should make it easier to glide, so you don't hurt yourself every time you're on one of those, paved driveways, and those tiny wheels can't take that. Okay, so I finally was able to open the box. It took a lot of effort, but it is open. And now I should be able to pull out the pieces that I need. So let's see. This looks like packaging. And here it is. Wow. Okay, so you can see just how big those wheels are. This is huge. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. But this is awesome. I wanted it to be big. So this will run you about $65. It's not as cheap as the kid version, or the ones with the smaller wheels, which I guess is to be expected. And I have no real reason for choosing this over the Razor. I always had Razor ones as a kid, so I just thought I'd try Fuzion Cityglide instead. I've never had a Fuzion scooter before, so I'm sure it'll be very similar, the whole experience, but I'm just hoping they don't have, the sides of the Razor scooters, they kill your ankles if you accidentally hit yourself with them. But it looks like all scooters, unfortunately, will have those sharp sides, but that's okay. Okay, so in here we have, this looks like the manual, so that's what the scooter will look like once I stand it up. And then it looks like we have an Allen wrench and two wrenches, I suppose, down here. I guess just to tighten up some parts if you need to. I don't think we'll need that right now, so I'll set that aside. Bring this closer to us here. So there is some bubble wrap around this piece. So let's take that off. Okay, so this is a zip tie that I will have to cut. There we go. Okay, so we can take the zip tie off, and there's a lot of packaging, which is good, I suppose. They don't want you to have anything damaged when this was being shipped. So this looks like this should be the handlebars here. Let me set that aside. And then this is more bubble wrap. Now I'm seeing this strap here. I'm not sure what it's for. I didn't know there was a strap on here, but I guess I should have done my research. Oh, okay, and I don't know if you can see this here. It looks like it got pretty banged up, but that's okay. I don't care that much. This is just a fun little toy, so that's fine. I'm not gonna send it back or anything because of that. And let's see, there should be some way for this to come up. Alright, so I figured out how to fold this. So there is this clamp lever right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull that up like this, and then you can extend it like that. That should lock into place, and now it is standing up. Now we have to put the handlebars in. So that's gonna go in here. To install the handlebars, you have to unscrew this handlebar clamp, which is right here, which is why they give you the wrenches in the bag. So let me take this out. So after you've unscrewed this part, you will place the handlebars in the middle like this, put this back over, and then screw it all in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so now I have successfully installed the handlebars, as you can see there, and I'm ready to give it a test drive. So hopefully this video was kind of fun to see. It was just supposed to be an unboxing video, but I ended up, setting it up too. So if you do end up purchasing this, I guess now you kind of have an idea of what you need to do in terms of assembly. Not really much assembly, but I've never done this before, actually. I've assembled a scooter like this, so it was fun. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.